Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, studying well and being safe all the time. At the same time, बच्चों I'm sure कि आप healthy routine भी follow कर रहे हो, hygiene का भी ख्याल रख रहे हो. So बच्चों, it is not only about keeping yourself fit. Okay, it is always not only about keeping yourself fit, it is also about keeping your mind fit. सो फिज़िकल फिटनेस के साथ मेंटल फिटनेस भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो उसके लिए सबसे पहले तो ये चीज़ आती है कि यू मस्ट लर्न टू स्टार्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग. Okay, so this chapter is going to tell us the importance of concentration. Concentration helps you to understand things better and solve problems more easily, making learning more fun and exciting. So when we concentrate on something, that means we are putting our mind into it. Okay, all our thought processes go into it, and okay, we enjoy doing things over there. Alright, or any problem जहाँ पे हम पूरे concentration के साथ उनको solve करते हैं, it is fun, they are exciting. Okay, so that is the reason why concentration helps us to solve even the most toughest of any problem. Alright, chalo, अब let's get in gear. Look at these pictures and tick the ones that show concentration and cross out the ones that show distraction. I listened carefully to my teacher during the class. Okay, listening carefully मतलब you were concentrating. जो भी मैम पढ़ा रही थी उस पर आप concentrate कर रहे थे. Okay, I played with my pencil instead of writing my words. So instead of writing down the notes, आप pencil के साथ खेल रहे थे. That means you were not concentrating. I read my book quietly without looking around. Okay, यहाँ वहाँ किसी तरफ नहीं देखना है, बस मेरी बुक की तरफ देख के I was reading my book. So that means you were concentrating in the book that you were reading. I kept looking out the window during the lesson. Okay, मैं पूरी क्लास के वक्त मैम पढ़ा रही है और मैं खिड़की के बाहर झांक रहा था. So is it good? Are you concentrating? No, you're not concentrating. Okay, और बाद में जाके आप ही रोगे, अरे मुझे तो समझा ही नहीं मैम ने क्या पढ़ाया. Because you were not concentrating. So how will you follow what ma'am was teaching? If you want to understand what ma'am teaches you, you have to concentrate. Okay, pay attention. Clear? Chalo, let's discuss these questions now. What do you do when you want to focus on your work? जब आपको आपके काम पे focus करना होता है तो आप क्या करते हो? You should just shut down everything and focus only on work, irrespective of whosoever is coming around or talking around or doing anything. आपको अपने काम पे पूरा focus देना है. Why is it important to concentrate in class? Okay, class में concentrate करना, attention, to pay attention. Why is it so important? Because if we don't concentrate, if we don't pay attention, तो क्या होगा? We'll miss out. Okay, हम मैम क्या पढ़ा रही थी हमें समझेगा ही नहीं, and then we'll miss it out. Okay, and then we'll sit and cry. That is why always concentrate when ma'am is teaching you in the class. Okay, in order to have fun, you have recess, you have your before school, after school time, isn't it? Okay, what happens when you don't concentrate in class? We've already discussed this. Now how do you feel when you concentrate and finish your work? तो आप जब concentrate करते हो, अपना काम time से complete करते हो, तो आपको कैसे लगता है? You feel happy, you feel contented कि चलो मेरा काम हो गया, now I'm free, I'm a free bird, I can do whatever I want to, है ना? Yes. What do you do when your friends are talking to you and you're trying to concentrate? Okay, तो अगर आप किसी चीज़ पे concentrate कर रहे हो और आपके friends आप continuously बातें कर रहे हैं, तो आप क्या करते हो? Do you shout at them, yell at them, or do you tell them very in a very peaceful way and in very calmly कि I'm trying to concentrate, please can you lower your voice, or can you guys stand somewhere else and talk? Okay, so you can always be polite to others. Okay, चलो अब देखते हैं the power of focus ये story. It was a Sunday. Ishani had a lot of homework to do, but she wanted to play. Uff, she sighed. अब संडे था, ईशानी को होमवर्क था बहुत सारा, पर उसको खेलना था. शी वॉज लाइक ओ इतना सारा पढ़ाई है, इतना सारा होमवर्क है. शी वॉज लाइक कंटिन्यूसली sighing. Ishani, do your school work, said her mother. Now her mother is asking her to do the school work. Ishani sat down to her work. Just then the telephone rang. Tring tring. ईशानी ran to pick up the phone. Okay? अब ईशानी अपना काम करने के लिए बैठ जाती है और तभी ही फ़ोन बजता है. So ईशानी भाग के जाके फ़ोन उठाती है. It was her friend Ginny. ईशानी chatted with Ginny on the phone for a long time. अब जिनी के साथ ईशानी बहुत देर तक बातें करती बैठ गई. After that ईशानी sat down to do her school work again. She opened her book. Okay? अब ईशानी जिनी से बात करने के बाद ईशानी दोबारा अपना काम करने के लिए बैठ जाती है और जैसे ही वो बुक खोलती है, whiff, she took a deep breath. Yummy, her mother was baking a cake. अब उसको आती है केक की खुशबू. उसकी मम्मी केक बेक कर रही होती है तो उसका ध्यान जाता है केक की तरफ. Ishani ran into the kitchen to get a piece. Another hour later, Ishani sat down on the table. अब वो भागती जाती है किचन में और अपना केक का पीस लेके आती है और दोबारा से खाने के लिए बैठ जाती है. ओह, why do I have to study? She said, staring at her homework. अब वो अपने होमवर्क को देख के बोलती, क्यों मुझे पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है. Just then, Ishani's father came to the room. Up now, her father enters the room. Ishani, have you finished your work? If you have, I think we can go out for an ice cream. तो पूछते हैं उसको कि क्या तुम्हारा काम खत्म हो गया? If yes, then we'll go for an ice cream. Ishani had not finished her schoolwork. She had not even started. Ishani started to cry. Her mother said, Ishani, come on, concentrate on your work. Then you can finish it quickly. So अब ईशानी देखती है तो उसने तो काम शुरू भी नहीं किया है, ख़त्म होना तो दूर की बात है. एंड देन शी स्टार्ट्स क्राइंग. तब उसकी मम्मी कहती है, कोई बात नहीं ईशानी, अगर तुम कंसंट्रेट करोगी, पूरा फोकस ध्यान उसमें ही लगाओगी तो जल्दी जल्दी हो जाएगा. ईशानी nodded her head. She did not move from her chair. She wrote all the answers in her science notebook. She did all the math sums. So उसके बाद ईशानी ने मम्मी के सामने she nodded her head कि yes yes, और फिर उसने अपनी चेयर से वो हिली नहीं, उसने सारे आंसर्स कंप्लीट कर दिए, उसने अपने साइंस का होमवर्क कंप्लीट किया, उसने मैथ के सम सॉल्व किए. She learned the new words from her English textbook. इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक के उसने नए वर्ड्स भी सीख लिए. All done, mother, said ईशानी. उसके बाद उसका सारा काम खत्म होने के बाद उसने अपनी मम्मी से कहा कि सब कुछ हो गया है. Her parents gave her a warm hug. Okay, and the parents were very happy कि ईशानी ने पूरे कंसंट्रेशन के साथ, पूरे दिल से, पूरा फोकस करके अपना काम खत्म किया. And they were like really happy and they hugged her. Okay, so what is the key message here? When you stay focused on your work and avoid distractions, you can finish your task faster and have more time for fun later. तो अगर हम concentrate करके पूरे focus के साथ अपने task complete करते हैं तो उसके बाद हमारे पास बहुत समय बच जाता है to have fun. Alright? So children, what are the things that we need to keep in mind? Concentration means paying full attention to one thing. Okay? कोई भी काम हम लेते हैं, कोई भी टास्क हम लेते हैं, उसको पूरे मेहनत के साथ, पूरे कंसंट्रेशन के साथ, पूरे फोकस के साथ हमें कंप्लीट करना है. When you concentrate, you can understand and remember what the teacher is saying. जब आप concentrate करते हो तब आपको चीज़ें समझ में आती है. ओके और फिर अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आती तो आप क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हो और फिर आप बता सकते हो कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ तक समझ में आया. एंड देन द टीचर कैन सॉल्व योर doubts. Concentration helps you to avoid mistakes and do your work correctly. जब हम concentrate करके सीखते हैं तो हम गलतियाँ नहीं करते हैं और अगर गलती की है तो हम उसको सुधारते हैं और उसको ढंग से करते हैं. Take short breaks to rest your eyes and stretch your body. Okay? बीच बीच में आप उठ सकते हो, ब्रेक ले सकते हो. You can stretch your body. Alright? That will make you feel fresh again. Avoid distractions like loud noises when you need to concentrate. अगर आपको concentrate करना है, focus करना है, attention pay करना है तो आपको ensure करना है कि आपके आसपास बहुत sound ना हो. There's no loud noises around you. Okay? So that nothing distracts you. Alright, so and in case आपको कोई disturb कर रहा है तो you can be polite and ask them that I need some time. If you can give me some time, okay, I will also join you all. ठीक है? So I'm sure children you can do all these things. Now I want you to quickly start reading the chapter again because you need to attempt the back exercises and the projects and activities. So जल्दी जल्दी chapter read करना है full concentration के साथ, okay? And then you can do the back exercises and all the other activities and projects. So get going.